Before joining AttainU, I had zero knowledge about coding, and because of AttainU only, I learned a lot of things. I learned Python, DSA, right, and from basic only, right, and I learned HTML, CSS, JavaScript. Then I learned in backend. I learned Node.js, React.js, GraphQL, and I learned React.js, right, MongoDB. So it's a full stack course, like specialized in mud. So I learned all the things only from Attain. In 2021, when COVID-19 was on peak, I realized that my college education is not enough to get uh, placed in a good company and get a handsome package. And then I saw AttainU ad on a social media, and I really liked the pay after placement policy and the curriculum as well. The CC and the assignment part was really helpful. Personally, I like the coding challenge and assignment part. Like the things we learn in class, regular class, we try to implement that in practical, which gives us more skills. And after facing different problems in solving CC and assignment, we get to know the real problem faced by developers. Right? My placement experience was very nice in AttainU. Here in AttainU, they will assign a SSU to each and every student who is responsible for providing jobs, and SSC encourage us to apply more, and my SSC was very much helpful. She guided me a lot, and for that on her only I got placement in my first interview itself. So yeah, I'm really thankful that. My advice for current and future coming at any student is please try to submit CC and assignment on time, because the things we learn in class we try to implement that, and from that you will gain a lot of confidence. The small projects, the small hard works will give you a bigger result.